What you eating, Natalie? A carrot? Give Katie a bite.
Oh, anymore.
Careful, y'all don't bang heads.
$100,000 in the live finale show this Sunday, courtesy of Sprint. Text your vote to 55455 or go to cbs.com/sprint.
You're the red-nosed reindeer, got a very tiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you'd even say it glows. I love the other reindeers, they laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? And how the reindeer loved him, shouted out with glee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. I like it.
Katie, you might have to help her eat some of those carrots so she doesn't waste them.
I'm not hungry. That's Mario.
Meet you is unbelievable. Cheers Kids Day News Day.
Mom, only 4 people can play Mario.
And USAtoday.com proclaims it's the #1 holiday gift. Lead you how you will play next. Game ready for
Where's
everyone.
Alex? Outside.
No, he's not. No, he's not.
Where's he then?